today I'm going to be filming a cleaning my dorm room video with me because my dorm is a complete mess, and I'm making this video more of a vlog style video because I'm currently filming on my vlogging camera, and I'm not really sure how you guys like these videos, if you like the vlog style better or if you guys like it better like on my normal like DSLR camera. But I just kind of like making a lot of my videos vlog style. I think it's just more fun and more relatable when a video is just filmed vlog style. So that's when to be filming this. I'm literally just going to be bringing you guys along and showing you guys how I clean my room, different tips like that. I'll link some of my cleaning videos over here because I've done a couple of cleaning videos before. I usually tend to have a lot of clutter and stuff, and then I also just need to like wipe down my desks and vacuum my carpet and do things like that because it can get obviously really gross. So, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump right on into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little overview first. So I know that some people's definition of clean and messy is different, but this is messy for me. So yep, this is my room so far. It's definitely needs a little bit of help. All right, so I'm going to go downstairs and grab a vacuum just because I don't have one in my room, and I definitely need to vacuum my carpet. It's been a couple of weeks, like 3 weeks. It's getting kind of gross, so I'm gonna go grab a vacuum. All right, we got the broom, cleaning wipes, and vacuum. So we're all set. All right, so I think my first order of business is I'm going to literally make my bed. I say this in all my cleaning videos, but making your bed makes such a huge difference because as you guys can see, my bed is just, I don't even know what's up with it right now. Alright, so my bed is now finally made. So it looks like this now, which is really, really nice. Way better than before. And literally when you make your bed, it literally makes the world of a difference in your room. Like, it clears up so much. And I actually forgot to put a pillow. I have way too many pillows on my bed. So now I'm going to just break everything up into sections. I like to do this better. It's just easier for me to just break everything up. It's less overwhelming when you just do your room little by little. So now I'm going to work underneath my bed. So for underneath my bed right now, I currently just have these bins behind me and then these blue bins right here. So these blue bins right here are really unorganized. So I'm just going to organize those super quickly. And then I also have to take out my trash. As you guys can see, my trash is really, really full and definitely needs to be taken out because I have such a small trash can. It gets filled up within like a couple of days. So that's never fun. So we're going to do that. So for here, for like my white bins here, these are like fine. They just need to be tucked in. So those all look good. So I just have to do these blue bins here. So as you guys can see, they're kind of just really overstuffed. So I'm just gonna organize those a little bit. All right, now it looks a lot better because I organized this blue bin, my garbage is out, and all my wires are tucked away. Okay, so next to my desk, I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. I'm also going to take some of these Lysol wipes that I brought up, and I'm just going to wipe down my desk because it's definitely can get really gross from all the makeup that I put on in this desk and stuff like that. All right, we got the final desk. I think it looks pretty good, nice and clean. All right, so now I'm going to pick up some of the clutter on the floor. As you guys can see, I have my jacket, stuff, all this stuff is like everywhere. So I'm going to clean up some of this clutter on the floor. All right, so the floor is now all clean. So now I'm going to work on my dresser here. It's a little bit unorganized, so we're going to organize that. All right, now we're gonna sweep the floors because they're so dusty and need to be swept. Before I vacuum, I decided that I'm just going to end up cleaning my closet because my closet is actually just, it's not that it's a mess, it's just the shoe rack I have is so bad. So I don't know if you guys can see, all my shoes literally fall off this shoe rack. It's just not good at all. I got it from Target, I think, or Walmart. Don't recommend. I put them on and they just fall right off. Rooms honestly feel so much better once you vacuum them. My last step that I'm going to do that I always do is just Febreze my room. So right now I just have Bora Bora Waters by Febreze, but yeah, I just spray this in my room. It just makes everything so much better when you finish off your room by just spraying something. So I'm going to do that. All right, so this is the finishing room. As you can see, it's just so nice and clean now. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me just cleaning my room and just hanging out with me and just my tips and tricks that I have for cleaning your room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these vlog style videos more and you want to see more of these, definitely let me know. If you guys like these sit down talk, like more edited professional more videos, I can do those instead. And if down below you guys want to comment what school you go to, like what college you go to. If you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to, but I'm just wondering where you guys are from, if you don't go to college or you're in high school still. Guess you guys can leave a comment down below, maybe how often you clean your room, stuff like that, because I know that I like to clean it at least like once a week to like once every other week. Usually every other week I end up cleaning my room, like deep cleaning, like actually cleaning, not just putting stuff in drawers and making it look like it's clean. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.